Hello, this is for group project BA486. We are talk about Japan. First, I'm going to talk about the Japanese car industry. In fact, the car is one of the Japan's popular industries. Automotive-related manufacturing takes up 89% of the country's largest manufacturing sector. The transportation machinery industry, automotive components and the vehicle account for 18% of all manufacturing shipments in Japan. And 5.5 million people, or 8.7% of Japanese workforce, are employed in automotive, manufacturing, and related industries. Okay, we can see the global automotive market share in 2018 by brand. The first one is Toyota. Yeah, it's Japanese company, Japanese car company. And you can see the Honda and Nissan. I don't know how to spell it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Why Japanese car is popular? The first reason is they use the car environmentally friendly. The second reason is their used car offer high quality at a low price. The third reason is their vehicle give top-notch performance. The first is their exterior and interior features are second to none. The last reason is their vehicles are really reliable and the space parts are plentiful. Yeah, this is my part. Thank you.